Having a good spray bottle, if you're going to be using it for cleaning, cooking, or watering plants, is a must. These spray bottles here come in a pack of 2, just have one here. They hold about 10 ounces, 300 ml of water or cleaning substance. I really like these here because they're a little bit smaller and shorter than some of the other spray bottles that we've been using. And these things here have a really nice spray on them. 2 spray settings, you have the single stream in the middle here, or you could have the multi-stream here, which is more like a spray. Opposite positions are off. It's a really good strong spray from this side, and then a nice mister if you want to mist plants or indoor flowers. Really nice bottle design here. Cap works really well. If you're looking for a good quality spray bottle, I highly recommend you get this pack of 2. This spray bottle here has been great for keeping our indoor plants hydrated. But if you want to use it for a cleaning substance, using the misting spray on the top here would be absolutely fantastic because it does a really good job at spraying. So you should get a set of these if you need a good spray bottle.